everyone, it's Molly and we're back in Kitchener with this raised bungalow. Let's go check it out. First up is the family room with a large picture window and elevated view. Finishing off this area of the home is a dining room, kitchen, and walkout to the raised deck. Down here, you'll find the 3 bedrooms and 4-piece bath. With these 3 big lookout windows, the natural light down here is impressive. And the nice thing is, you get another full bath. Now this is pretty nice. Your elevated deck overlooks this oversized yard. Walking distance to the neighborhood school and park, this is a family home you won't want to miss. I'm Molly Gomes with Royal LePage Crown Realty.